What worked yesterday might hurt you today. You weren't holding along because it was working yesterday, but the crossover just flipped and you're fighting the new direction without even knowing it. My name is Eric Cole. I only trade when there are no major news events and my bot shows a green indicator. Only fundamental commodities: gold, silver, oil, natural gas, and precious metals. And only with my analytics tool that analyzes 10 plus indicators. I open the bot, strategy golden cross, asset platinum, time frame 4 hours. The bot checks the news background. Green indicator, the news background is calm, no news expected. I press conduct analysis. The majority of indicators show short. Golden cross confirms the bearish crossover is in. The moving averages have shifted direction. I enter a short with golden cross. Platinum moved lower. The crossover confirmed the new direction. Trade closed at take profit. Golden cross reads the shift early, while most traders are still married to the old direction. Join the Eric Cole community, link in the description. Trading involves risks. Past results do not guarantee future performance. This is educational content, not financial advice.